June sales report and best-selling items. For the month of June, I had 61 sales across all stores, which was a 14% decrease from the 71 sales I had in May. Sales broken down by store. Miss Rhoadie 47, Weddings by Rhoadie 3, Homeschool Me 5, Rhoadie's Kitchen 5, Alma Africa 1, Bible Verses and Gifts 0, Earrings by Rhoadie 0. Best-selling items. For the second month in a row, To My Son on Father's Day came in first place. In second place was my Best Grandpa Ever photo t-shirt. In third place was my Trendy 80s leggings. Others items sold were invitations, shot glasses, bath towels, magnets, address labels, coffee mugs, kitchen towels, bottle openers, stickers, notebooks, tank tops, invitations, license plate frames, file folders, a reusable grocery bag, a Sherpa blanket, and luggage tags. Customer demographics. 85% of my sales came from the U.S. and 15% international. 84% of my sales were from women, 13% men, and 3% unknown. My top states were New York with 8 sales, Texas 7, New Jersey 5, and Ohio 5. International sales. 6 came from Canada, 1 from Sweden, 1 from Australia, and 1 from the United Kingdom. Honorable mentions. My honorable mention for this month is my Congress graduate magnet, and I created this magnet June of 2021, and it finally sold this month, and I actually sold 50 of them. So that's encouraging to know that my magnets do sell, and I just need to promote them and that they're good for selling in bulk. Referrals. This month I made 2 referrals, and I made those referrals from this Tasmanian Devil sticker that I pinned onto Pinterest. Pinterest is actually my top #1 referral site, so most of my referrals come from Pinterest, and stickers are my top impressions. Takeaways. For this month, I actually have 2 takeaways. My first is June is usually one of my highest selling months because of Father's Day. However, I did not promote my Father's Day products as much as I should have, so it resulted in fewer than average sales. And my second takeaway is it's very important to do monthly analytics on your store so you can know what to promote. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.